What did you feed your mind today? Not your body. Your mind? Because most people are careful about what they eat for dinner, but careless about what they feed their thoughts all day. They wake up and grab the phone. Bad news, drama, comparison, noise, arguments. People showing off lives they may not even be living. And before the day even starts, their mind is already full of junk. Then they wonder why they feel tired, distracted, negative, and stuck. But here is the truth. Your mind is always eating. Every video you watch is a meal. Every conversation is a meal. Every song, post, book, comment, and complaint is feeding something inside you. The question is it feeding your future or feeding your frustration? Because you cannot feed your mind fear all day and expect to walk in confidence. You cannot feed your mind gossip all day and expect to think with wisdom. You cannot feed your mind distractions all day and expect to live with discipline. At some point, you have to stop asking, why am I not growing? And start asking, what am I consuming? That is where the change begins. The original transcript teaches the importance of becoming hungry for growth, changing your daily input, reading, learning, staying curious, and choosing the people and ideas that shape your future. Imagine two people, same age, same city, same problems, same 24 hours. One person spends 30 minutes every morning scrolling through other people's lives. The other person spends 30 minutes reading something that sharpens their mind. After one day, you may not see a difference. After 1 week, maybe still not much. But after 1 year, one mind is cluttered. The other mind is stronger. One person has more opinions. The other person has more wisdom. One person knows every trending topic. The other person knows how to build, lead, speak, think, and solve problems. That is not luck. That is diet, a mental diet. And some of us are trying to build a powerful life with a poisoned mind. We keep feeding our thoughts the very things that make us weak. Then we call it entertainment. But what if for the next 30 days you change the menu? What if you replaced 1 hour of scrolling with 1 hour of learning? What if you listened to wisdom instead of drama? What if you read 10 pages a day? What if you started asking better questions? Questions like, what skill do I need to build? What kind of person am I becoming? Who is influencing me? What am I allowing into my mind that needs to be removed? Because growth is not always about adding more. Sometimes growth is about cutting off what is making you smaller. Cut off the noise. Cut off the voices that keep you average. Cut off the content that leaves you empty. Cut off the habit of consuming everything except what can actually change your life. Your future needs a different version of you, but that version will not come from the same input. New thoughts create new choices. New choices create new habits. New habits create new results. And new results create a new life. So today, do something simple. Choose one book. Choose one mentor. Choose one skill. Choose one better thought. Choose one piece of content that makes you stronger instead of weaker. Because the person you become tomorrow is being fed by what you consume today. So ask yourself again, what did you feed your mind today? Because whatever you keep feeding will eventually grow.